In the heart of Jerusalem, where the ancient meets the modern, lies a world steeped in history, culture, and intrigue. As I strolled through the cobbled streets, the echoes of the past whispered secrets of bygone eras, each stone telling a tale of triumph and tribulation. The air was thick with the scent of spices and the sound of bustling markets, creating a vibrant tapestry that painted the essence of the city. Jerusalem, a city like no other, is a melting pot of cultures and religions where the legacy of centuries mingles with the heartbeat of contemporary life. The rhythmic chants of prayers resonated through the alleyways, blending seamlessly with the calls of street vendors selling fresh produce and handcrafted treasures. It was a symphony of diversity, each note adding to the rich tapestry of the city's narrative. As I delved deeper into the labyrinthine streets, I found myself face to face with hidden gems that sparkled like diamonds in the rough. The ancient stone walls bore witness to the rise and fall of empires, their weathered facades a testament to the resilience of a city that has withstood the test of time. Every corner held a story waiting to be uncovered, a piece of history waiting to be brought to light. One of the most mesmerizing aspects of Jerusalem is how seamlessly its past intertwines with the rhythm of daily life. In the shadow of the iconic Western Wall, I watched as locals and visitors alike came to offer prayers and pay homage to tradition. The blending of ancient customs with contemporary practices created a tapestry of life that was both profound and inspiring. As I navigated the maze of alleyways and arches, I stumbled upon hidden courtyards and tucked-away cafes that offered a glimpse into the soul of the city. Each sip of aromatic coffee and every bite of savory falafel spoke of a culinary heritage that had been honed over generations. The flavors were as diverse as the people who savored them, a true reflection of the city's eclectic spirit. One cannot walk the streets of Jerusalem without feeling the weight of its history and the pulse of its present. The city is a living, breathing entity, its stories woven into the very fabric of its being. For the intrepid soul willing to venture beyond the surface, Jerusalem offers a treasure trove of experiences just waiting to be discovered. So come, wander with me through the ancient streets of Jerusalem, where history and life dance in harmony, and where every step is a journey through time. Let the magic of this enchanting city envelop you as you uncover its hidden treasures and create memories that will last a lifetime.